I'm a process engineer here in the town of Cobourg, in Northumberland County.
We're an engineering and manufacturing company.
I'm a teacher of physics and astronomy at Trinity College School.
I am the general manager with Team Eagle Limited here in Campbellford, Ontario. Team Eagle Limited is a global leader in the supply and production of aviation-related solutions for snow and ice control, situational awareness, and overall efficiencies.
We're very technologically based. We have an observatory on campus, which we use regularly for observatory nights with the students. We also host out-of-school groups, the local astronomical society.
We have amazing manufacturers in the area doing amazing things, driving huge innovation through all kinds of projects.
We design and manufacture towers. They're used for a variety of applications, from communication and aerospace to navigational aids and instrumentation. There's a certain area within an airfield that if a plane by accident runs off a runway and it hits an elevated structure, the tower is designed to break away on impact, but at the same time it can handle heavy wind and ice loadings.
We are mimicking what an aircraft would experience when its wheels touch down in the contaminated runway. The end product here is a very good understanding of what the particular conditions will do to the aircraft's ability to land and stop within an understandable distance. This particular technology, we do have a patent on that.
We're one of only 6 companies in the world that supply these frangible towers.
It's just a real testament to how I think companies that are interested in collaborating and innovating can find willing partners like these folks and the Transport Canada and the FAA to work together towards a solution.
Northumberland County really is a hotspot for a cluster around food production and plastics manufacturing. We also have a very large nuclear manufacturing facility that makes fuel bundles for the nuclear industry.
A lot of our suppliers are in the area as well. We do most of our work in town, and if it's not in town, then it's in a neighboring community.
Everything I need is close. If I wanted to go into the city, you can get down there just over an hour and you get back same night. It's not a big deal.
We're pretty close to the 401. We're also right in between Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal.
I then have choices to travel to Toronto, Buffalo, Syracuse, or Ottawa for flights that we may need to take to travel to our customers or to our partners across North America and beyond.
So we're in a nice medium where transportation costs aren't too high and we're easily accessible by customers and suppliers.
One of the things that we've been trying to do as a group with the NMA and others is tie into local universities and promote collaborative research with schools around the province to do interesting and creative things that you otherwise wouldn't have the resources to do.
The housing market here is actually fairly affordable. As opposed to living in Toronto and commuting here, it makes sense to stay and live in town.
I've lived here for about 5 years now. I came to the area basically to raise my family.
It's nice. I live right on the lake, so I can just hop my kayak after a day of work, or I can go for a run.
We're about 15 to 20 minutes from 4 or 5 major centers, so for things outside of work, activities for the family, we have lots of choices.
Lots of fine dining, lots of places to grab a drink with friends.
One of our things that our family likes to do is camp, and Northumberland County offers a lot nearby where we can do that kind of thing and not get hung up in traffic.
The worst traffic you'll see is on Canada Day when you're trying to get to the beach, which is actually in Cobourg, one of the nicest beaches on Lake Ontario.
We have all the technology here. We have the expertise.
It's a great place to live, great place to work.
And just comfortable.
It's a very high quality of life for both the working environment, plus raising a family is it's also great.